Okay folks, today we got the 4Live 5-in-1 drain cleaning tool from Amazon. Looks great. So we have a drain that's clogged. As you can see, not draining the water. We have all the different little tools that the bag came with as advertised. And so let's see if we can get this drain, as you can see, unclogged. I guess let's try these. Mr. Green, see how he goes. Just jam him in, see what happens. I guess we can pull out that. No, maybe we can't. Let's see what we get, folks. Oh, there we go. Looking good. Looking good. We got some stuff. Throw that away. Let's see. How's it look? Try it again. Not smelling the best in the world. Okay, and it looks like just a little bit.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.